this statement mala did logo ena yo choeba ma wanda po waramo wajoni man wakala kala but the statement pala did lobo ni ma chwale tweets ena yo tiu kile mono ni memorandum ma I want to read that part clearly. Ni fellow Ugandans, especially the Bazukulu, we have been saying all this time that the correct ideology, if we want prosperity for our people, is that of promoting the politics of interest and not identity. I am therefore very happy that leaders of Acholi from the various political parties visited me today and reaffirmed their commitment to working with the government to get our people out of poverty. We shall study their MOU, that is memorandum, and continue with this dialogue. I welcome them. Mostly the last two statements, we shall study their memorandum, continue with this dialogue. I welcome them. Jolly mono ki jolo wu machalo ukelo MOU kere machalo udonye gamente. Mono from the statement I welcome them. I will study the memorandum. Mauti yuki their memorandum. Memorandum ene mono ma megu machalo joapane nyokere tipi duana chuli kimea dek. Ni we will continue with this dialogue. When is the next dialogue? Ajoli pipi.
Arapo de twal koma chelba waka wat kumani lo maugeri uberga la konani adape
ni ka chako beru da ka piari
kane ka iwinyu ni ka chako beru da ka piara rio gena ke waju kunu go le koningo ene pelo kada wano cherro wachako ka chako cha bor wagiro ka chako wachapa chawa bor wachapa ma watika ya document onyo gin ma wano cho ene cha dape ikom lo ogere kere o matitiri mo that's why ana waje ni ogere ka tiri diri ma ke wai unity ma proving lo ene mai chung inyim ngata mer wai de lo kada ibi chung ye wai ibi chung te lo no entigi evidence si one week or evidence and only air producing but actually we actually nani da people can gi kono ki ngagi bago char state as go gam chilling million me chiel and be proving be pangi ngomo do nyi yogeri mi cha ko lo ka kumero te lo ni ogeri ka ro be ru ngato mama ti very dangerous Robo bena timo gimo kan me wako ngarmo ko ne merruñ pen an ka kero an pipi yo kien ki o geri ke bayni a chuli romo ni lo kanga ken wa mario kero gangi kunu kamenti ye ci pa ngeo ka ke wayni o geri ero ni wiye ti ma pe nyonyo pe pen me cha ko lo mama pe to ada an ti be chu ye aber ga nyar kan because I don't I mean now what is this kamati yake chi ogere wajini engere katiri no erebi tiki evidence owen no wale no ogere ka no twere iyo ini duju unong evidence enoni ukelo kama leng we katero Robinson yikeli we
la dit pepe
unongo no ka no
la dit pepe kono million mia chiel nyo mia big mo unogam
wakamo kikwene wakamo kikwe
clear
wakamo kikwene which is a wrong perception, wrong information. My entire me never down. Me derailing down. It come cause my bed. My one to take a timone. My bed he was paid to do that. I don't know who paid him, whatever it is. But look of Gerini, atamane down me roque. Look of Gerini, kitara duju. Don't be condemning Ogeri. Don't be one with berupin. Wabina no girango step and go taking Komogeri to distort information. Which are social media, and to work on a reputation. Padana Machalo Ken PP, I built my reputation long time ago, where I tell you were United Nations, and I think a clean record. And Pagam Bright Bongato Chi Ogeri will prove, one day he will prove. Now, look my local memorandum. Memorandum, Uberu Gin Makichoya. Gintama ini don't be no query, ini choyo, chi me bongato money for consideration. Ngate romo tije ye, onyo pero moti for example part of referendum memorandum ma wano choyni mano ke lu ana berga lo ne document pena mira long ni memorandum part of the thing ma wano choy any socio-economic consideration when you te look at it ni mira geno considering tamwa socio-economic consideration and socio-economic consideration in local land protection land rights poverty, commercial agriculture, investment, industrialization, manufacturing, mining, oil and gas. Kimi bod ngato body pen budget. Budget pay board wa.
Okay.
Budget pay board lo member be parliament. Budget ti board yuweri. Budget ti board gamente. Ka yini mirni ti ma tracking money mi binu gang bodu. Ichero kama budget ti kama appropriation ti meye.
Okay.
La uba nga rumo no penyani. Si wanaka yangi budget mangunu tiga go ni kono go budget pinga po kerdo njimini wenye. Arawa ilo achile ken.
Honorable PP.
Awa jini indicative figures mi budget. Take me on Minister of Finance.
Okay. Honorable PP.
Arawa jini kama leng ni chaki wano donye parliament mi Uganda mwakani itam ini 2-3 years ago. Budget for local government umete don kuberi from the entire actually sub-region. Umete from 300 billion.
Okay.
To now about 500 billion.
Okay.
The local parliament
Honorable PP MOU ni eni mawano nano the road data kope mone wano no kany eni knock. Is it now public? Mado tikere ni ki MOU ni donki kero chen ye nyokere is still subject for further amendments.
Wano pe ki consideration most of file look me MOU. MOU doesn't come here. Gimo peke ki Mario Guinea is still a working document. It's still a working paper. Wamiro incorporating tampa dano mapol maaki campaign. Yeah. Wako bere document. Maramo konya chuli. Dokme pe wati umpikui. That's one thing madam merongeo. Pedan ko tamane uti mo pikui. Contribution pa uken PP kilo members mo kanani. NAN. Ko emiro following ko bero metakara nyimi nyope NAN. Tam mawano miyo ni tam ini ne enegiti bod gamente NAN.
Okay.
Kera wano neno kwere, kera wano don kwere kany, kera wano tiyu kwere kany.
Wabidugu wariebo da keka dek we're clearing the area of the significance. Manaka nenu wapenyo ni. Inge kwena me wang chawa. Chiwa chiero bot koma ke jono gwok kachilke upika poka pita. The significance of the 4, 5, I can say 6 meetings. Mauberi ye. Man mauti me gulu kiman mado uchero tuweo kime State House. Adukine tiga kwene. Ikoma choli kikama donko beri. Romo riepo wa ye mape. Man the mighty gang.
Ulup kwa uchung matek. Umini wa kero. Pe hotel wan ping. Penka hotel wa ping kero wa beru pe. Gina warango loko nebe no pe. Dok beri gini loko be chung matek. Katikil wako beri kwa. Kao ni pap ki ngewa. Te loke tieni. Kero wa dirlo wa ini juwe ni beti diana dera di kene. Kuchar ki mirri. En kere wini da ugere waju ni. Wachar nuki mirri wa.
Okay.
En paka wako chungi loko. En mawano loko ni. Kikore. Chi. En be we gini jalo gin mama perte pa chule ba. Ber chao kan romo tiji ye. Chi do ngomera Robinson. Pewa yaro document ne wengwa tiako. Lega nati bori. PN wano tamani kadungwa go dog gini weng mawa consulting with NRM MPs ki elders. Wano bi no karme rata ki elders. Wano bi no karme rata ki ludiru teke kwaro. Wabino karme rata ki lufonye intellectuals lufonye wati retire chalo duongien no ki lufonye makuri gitieni gumi tam dokbe lok ini merki lok ada pe lok me party lega watieni ka watika lok ini ke kwan lok me party okay wi kona tikwene dokbe pe tam mi ke lok nyu ibi chwer tun Museveni nyu ibi chwer tun nga no ko de lok patuli madane ni
okay
kera chalo tikwene weri ka donki ber dogini mabe wana bi chwale lokbo dano wabi yero elders gine gi be presenting this report nuki ngiro kinyo yeweng ni la dit lokwa RN ma wana chwili wat naka yang wa beri ye loka petum bero te topingo time frame be when inu ko etirri wana tamane miro ki compensate actually kitiga mi mdiang kitiga mi chen marom mgwera ibi tiyo compensation na wene ene ki bi penyere ki kor
o karo cha mo kan
ti ko matek mada Robinson
wan be mino platform
me kele watini atamani lok do chaka en wa merna nyim ka chel wane no ma ronti ne pia chule do joka malo ana mo rulu ba me tu gum
wan foyo matek ka tira la win radio ke man kelo ya gir ke me de mighty gang men yana matin nero me nywa ko tam matin no tieni ke ya ke pertere waragane